Macaroni Goreng, 辣炒通心粉。Prepare the ingredients. Cut 200 grams chicken to about 1.5 cm pieces. Season chicken with salt and pepper, then mix well. Cut 2 to 3 stalks of leafy greens into bite-sized pieces. Dice 1 large onion. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Chop 1 stalk of spring onions for garnishing. This is optional. Mix a stir-fry sauce. In a small bowl, put in 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons jumbo chili paste, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix well. Before frying, we'll have to boil the macaroni. In a pot, boil 700 ml of water with a half tablespoon of salt. Put in 200 grams of macaroni. Cook for 10 minutes and stir occasionally. Add more water if needed. Reserve 3 tablespoons of pasta water, in case required for frying. Drain macaroni. Let's start frying. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in frying pan. Scramble 2 beaten eggs. Put aside. Put in the diced onions and chopped garlic. Stir fry for about 30 seconds or until onions look slightly translucent. Add in the chicken. Stir fry until cooked. Add the leafy greens and stir fry for about 30 seconds. Add the boiled macaroni and stir fry for about 10 seconds. Add scrambled egg. Lastly, add the mixed sauce. Stir fry until well combined. Garnish with fried shallots and chopped spring onions. Enjoy!